Great people, welcome to NameTech channel. My name is Nehemiah and I'm very much happy to have you on board. So this is lesson 6 on Django, and we are going to talk about on how to add a master template. So basically in the previous tutorials we created two templates, one for listing all members. You can see it in this members folder, and then the templates we have one for listing all members, and then one for the details about each member. But then there is basically Django provides a way to make a parent template that you can include all pages for for the stuff that are of the same in all pages. But then guys, before you begin, please take a minute, subscribe, like, and share the video to your friends. And to the returning subscribers, I really appreciate you very much for your continuous support. So guys, basically what you want to do to create that master template, what you do, navigate to the members folder, and then to the templates, ensure that you are there. Then I click here the new file, and then I create perhaps a master.html, then hit enter. And then if you're using Visual Studio Code, just type in an exclamation mark, then I hit enter. It will generate for you the HTML snippet. So now, while you're in this text editor here, we want us to add what the Django tag here. So here are the document replaced with the Django tag. Now the first one, let me say, sorry. Let me first of all delete these. Sorry. Let me delete the document there. Then add in percentage, the Django tag percentage, and then let me say block, and then title. Is this explained for your title? Right. Then I type in percentage, and then also remember to do it to end. So you end with the braces like this, then percentage symbol, and then also with end block, then end with a percentage again to close what to end the title block. Now let's go to the body, and to the body we're gonna do this. Let me say open and close the braces, and then here say, let's say a block. Sorry, you begin with what? You begin with a percentage, and then a block, and then let's say content. Content then end with what? With a percentage. So block at basically a block content, then end with the percentage. Then also remember to do it to end the block. So you end the block with the curly braces, then inside it a percentage, then type in end block, then type in percentage, and then again end the braces like this. So this way you have created what? The master template. So what you do, let's go to to modify other templates. So basically guys, these are templates, these are Django tags here. These are just placeholder telling Django to replace this block with the content from other sources. So let's try to modify. Perhaps let's begin with the all members.html, and then I modify the content therein. So here are the title. Let's begin with that. Let's say let me say begin with the percentage symbol, then let me say percentage, and then let's say extend. Extends, this is the spelling for extends, and then quotation marks opening and closing, then I type in master.html, then at the end of it remember to close with the quotation mark. And then here let's remove this title, and then I replace with Django tag. And let me just replace with what? With Django tag, and then and then here let me say perhaps percentage, and then let me say block, and then title, dot title, and then basically title, and then type in percentage, and then let's create some title here. Perhaps let me say my my name tag, or let me just say name tag, then underscore, perhaps let me say list of all enrolled students, and then remember to do it to close with the end block, tag. So let me say, but first of all, begin with the percentage, and then let's say end block, end block. Sorry, should be combined, end block like this, and then a percentage, and then so we are done with the title. So let's go to the content, actually to the body, and then I type in percentage here. First of all, open and close, and then I type in percent, and then let's say perhaps some block, and then let me say content, then remember to close with a percentage. Also here at the bottom, just at the end of this unordered list, let's create the end tag for the content. So let me see percentage, then let me type in end block, then a percentage, percentage again, like this. And so once you are done, let's go to the other the other template. These are details template. Then here the body, let's begin with the body design, or let me just let's begin just from the top here. Let me delete this one, then I replace with Django tags. Then let me here say percentage, then let me say extends, percentage extends, and extends, this is the spelling for extends, and then master .html. Remember, when you type incorrect spelling here, you'll have an error, it will not work. So let me be sure that everything is okay, master, yeah. Then always close with the percentage, and then the next thing, now let's add the title content. So let me type in curly braces, then percentage, then block, then let me say content, so that it may replace the placeholder in the master template. And then here what we do, perhaps let me say name tag, then let me say details about each member, each enrolled, or let me say each student, this way, each students. Then always remember to do it to end the the block with the percentage, then end block, then a percentage, then the closing curly braces. So let's go to the body, then just before the content here, and just type in the curly braces, then a percentage, and then I type in block, then content, then percentage again, and then here just at the end of this paragraph tag, what you do, just type in the curly braces, then a percentage, end block. Basically type in end block, and then close with a percentage. So guys, basically I've just realized that there's an error somewhere here. The title here, we should use the Django tags for first name and then last name, so that it may trace the all members persons our individuals details. So here perhaps I could have just say perhaps let me say something like details sorry, should be details, perhaps about then let me use something like a quotation mark. Then here let me just use the Django tag so that it may trace the basically the name, the first name and the last name. So what you do, use the double basically the double curly braces, and then here type in my member, then I type in a dot first name, and then again here at the end type in what open and close the braces, then I type in my member, then a dot, should be dot, and then I type in last name like that, and then again I think we are now set to go. So let's test if these calls are working. Let's navigate to our browser. Basically, let's navigate to our project directory, and then what you do, let's go. Mine is at the desktop. And then click on this your project. Then here at the URL, just type in cmd, and then do what? Let's activate the virtual environment by typing scripts, and then a backslash activate dot bat. Remember, script is our folder, is a file in our project. Also activate dot bat is also a file in our project directory. So if you type in a wrong word, it will not work. So then I hit enter to activate the virtual environment. Then now once you have activated, let's now run server. And then again, basically you can find all the Django commands by typing Django. Let me just show you that Django, and then hyphen, then admin, then I hit enter. Basically you get all the commands for Django. You can see we have a check, compile a message, we have a create cache table, we have the DB shell, we have other stuffs here. But then for running the server, we use this run server command, and basically you can find all other commands there. But then for now, let me just type in py manage.py, then run server so that we may run the server and check if it's working. Then I hit enter. Then I copy this URL, and then let's go to the browser, and then I paste it there, and then basically hit enter. You'll get that your error code. Then I type in member so that you may navigate to to our app. So it is members. Mine is members. I don't know the name for your app, but then I hit enter. Then let me try to zoom in perhaps. And then perhaps let me hit on Nehemiah, and then guys, basically you can see it seems there's an error. You can see template syntax error, members details 1, block, a tag with the name, content appears more than once. Oh, we forgot to change to title, so it should be, let me change that guys. So here the title, it shouldn't be, because here the master.html, here the title it was blog title, not content. So I should change to basically to what? To title, right? Just type in a title, not title tag, but just a title. Then I do what? Let's all members, let's check. For all members it's okay. So what you do, let's try again guys. Let's refresh the browser, and then let me refresh, and then guys, basically you can see it's now working. Let me try to hit, let me zoom in first, then let me click on the members, then guys you can see it's now working very perfect. So guys, basically this is what I wanted to show you in this tutorial, and I think you've gained something. Then guys, please consider subscribing, like and share the video to your friends. Until next time, this is Nehemiah. See you then.